welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing great. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I am Shraddha and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. In today's video, as by the thumbnail and the title, you know that what it is about. So I will be creating few looks for this Navratri and this festive season, which you can also create with the basics that you are having with you. And I'm 110% sure that you guys must already having these kinds of clothes with you guys, so you just need to do some mixing and matching to get these kinds of perfect look for the festive season. And also I'll be showing you how I did this very simple and basic makeup that I generally do. So I'll be only apply the very basic makeup that I generally love to apply, and because in the normal days as well, even when I go to weddings or so I don't like to apply lots of foundations and BB or CC cream. So I'll do what I normally do, and this is the look that I always like and I feel that it suits on me. So I'll be sharing it with you all today. So I have washed my face, prepped it. Now I'll be applying my all-time favorite Lacto Calamine. So what I feel that Lacto Calamine gives a kind of mattifying look to my skin and also provides little bit of brightness on the skin, which looks very normal and natural. So I don't use any fancy tool or anything to apply this. I'll just rub it all over my face. So the first step is done, and a compact will do the job. So I'll be using the Lakme Rose Loose Powder. So I just tap it on its puff. I sometimes apply this powder with my fingers itself. I can definitely see the change, the look that I wanted on my face to, just look natural. And now it's the turn for eyes. So for the eyes, I'm using the Nudes by Maybelline. So this palette contains only the basic and neutral colors and of course black. So what I'm going to do is I will be just taking this golden shimmery color on my fingers. So the golden color I will be just applying on the inner corners. And then I'll be taking this black color in the same finger. And I'll be applying it on the outer side. Just to have little bit of darkness on the outer corner of the eye. And just blend it little bit in the middle. And it's done for me. And now I'll be applying my all-time favorite Lakme eyeliner because I just love the brush. The brush makes very convenient and easy to apply the eyeliner. And after the eyeliner comes the mascara. So I'll be using the Sugar mascara that I'm having these days. And after mascara comes the eyebrows. So I'll just use my mascara wand and the leftover product in it to apply it on my eyebrows. Because I'm seriously not a pro in makeup, and I like the natural look of my eyebrows, so I'm good with it. Also, I have forgot to apply the kajal, so I'll be applying it later on when once these things dry up. Next up, I'll be taking the lightest color on the palette. Again, just take it little bit on the finger and I'll just apply it little bit under the eyebrows. And the last part is, of course, applying the lipsticks. And I will be mixing two colors today. So the first is the Seduction from Las Vegas. So I am using its 07. It's a beautiful pink color. And then on top of it, I'll be using my Lakme Matte Enrich RM13. And to complete my look, I will just apply a simple plain black bindi. So yes, it's done now. Isn't this makeup was very simple and easy to do? Do you know, just look put together during this festive season. Even if we don't have lots of option to go outside, you can just stay at home and stay happy. So now let's just jump into the video and I'll show you that how I have recreated few looks for you guys with my basic dresses, kurtis that I was having with me. So yes, let's get started. So for the first look, I have taken this plain black kurta that I'm sure that every one of us have in our wardrobe. So this one is the cotton silk and I have paired it up with a normal plain black pants. To just add the festive vibe, I have paired this with a Banarsi dupatta, and for accessorizing I am just keeping it simple with just adding a pair of earrings to it. The next look, again a look that I really love, is again having one plain white kurta with a skirt. Both are again cotton silk and I have added one fulkari colorful dupatta in it. And then again, no matter what color dupatta you are having, you can every time and any time can pair a heavy dupatta to your simple plain kurti. I'm not wearing any earring on this look. In fact, I'm wearing a statement colorful neck piece here that I have bought way back from Lajpat Nagar. For the third look, I'm just swapping my colorful fulkari dupatta with this see-through black with silver lining shrug, and I think that it really looked good. And have just added a pair of earrings for this look. My last look is this black dhoti pant with this white top, and I really love the structure of it because it have these frills and it's a crop top basically, and I have just made a top knot and have added lots and lots of jewelry onto it. So I'm wearing these oxidized choker with the matching earrings and a huge ring on my fingers. So yes guys, these were few looks that I have created. I hope that you liked it because I really do. And yes, if you like the video, then make sure that you hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you have any other video requests, then do let me know in the comment section. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. So yes, that's it for today's video. Now we'll meet on my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye.